Students, here is your maths teacher Sanjeev Sikri. Today we will discuss chapter statistics for standard 10, and in statistics today's our topic of discussion will be mod. So I have written a question. Students, before starting my question, let me tell you today we will be discussing two types of questions regarding mod, in which the first question which we will be taking is the simple question in which you have to calculate mod, and the second question which we will be discussing is the question in which mod will be given to you and you need to find the missing frequency. So let's see both questions. One question I have already written. We are given class intervals and we are given number of workers. We need to find mod of the question. Before finding mod, let me write the formula which will be we are going to apply in mod so that you can understand it in better way. So formula for mod is L plus F1 minus F0 over 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiply by H. So I'll be discussing what these actually terms are, but you need to remember this formula. Mod is L plus F1 minus F0 over 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. Now let's discuss what these terms are. मैं यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स लिख देता हूँ ये टर्म्स हैं क्या. In exam you need not to write these terms जो मैं अभी लिखने जा रहा हूँ, but you must know what are these terms. Only then you can solve the question. L is lower limit of model class. L is lower limit of model class. F1, it is frequency of model class. F0, frequency of class preceding model class. F2, frequency of class succeeding model class. And the last term H, it is class size. So let's read once again the terms. L, lower limit of model class. L is the lower limit of model class. F1, frequency of model class. F1, frequency of class preceding model class. F2, frequency of class succeeding model class. That means for finding all these values, we must know what is the model class actually. Once we are able to find the model class, we can write all these terms. And the last one is class size, which you can see here, it is 20. So it means for putting all these values or using all these values, you need to know which is the model class. तो सबसे पहले model class के बारे में discuss करते हैं. ये model class actual में होती क्या है? Students, if you can see these frequencies 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10, you see this is the highest frequency. The frequency which will be highest one, that interval will be the model class. That means here model class will be 120 to 140. मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ. Here model class is 120 to 140. 120 to 140. Now the rest of the terms. If this is the model class, its lower limit is 120. That means L120. F1, frequency of model class. तो इसकी frequency 14. F0, frequency of class preceding. Preceding means ऊपर वाली, इससे पहले वाली. F0 will be 12. And F2, frequency of class succeeding means इससे next one 8. F2 is equal to 8. And then the last one, H class size, which is 20. I hope the terms are clear to you. What are these terms? L, F1, F0, F1, F0, F2 or H. These all are the terms which we are values which we are going to put in the formula. तो चलिए अब इसको put करते हैं. L 120 plus F1 14, F0 12 over 2F1, 2 into 14 minus F0 12 minus F2 8 multiply by class size H, which is 20. So let's solve these values. 120 as it is, 14 minus 2 12, 2 multiply by 20 over, ध्यान से देखिएगा, 2 into 14 28, 28 minus this 20 it will be 8. I hope it's clear to you. कटिंग करते हैं 4 and 4 से अगर कटिंग करें तो 5. That means you will get mod 125. I hope the question is clear to you. Mod L plus F1 minus F0 over 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. So these are the values which we are using here. And what these values are? This is the terms which you are going to use here. और इसकी वैल्यू पुट करके mod is 125. I hope the question is clear to you कि आपने mod कैसे find करना है. Now students, as I told you, we'll be discussing two types of questions. This is a simple question in which you have to find just mod. Now our second question, when mod will be given to you and one of the frequency will be missing, how to do that question? मैं इस क्वेश्चन को इरेज कर देता हूं और एक नया क्वेश्चन आपके लिए लिख देता हूं in which you have to find the missing frequency. Class intervals 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 60, 60 80, 80 100, 100 120, 120 140. These are the intervals. Now let me write the frequencies. It is 6, 8, 10, 12, F, 5, 2. These are the frequencies. Now here this is the missing term F जो हमने find करनी है. Where being we need to find this term, mod is given. We are given in this question mod, and mod is 65 जो हमने use करना है. Now the method remains same. We'll use this formula only. We need to write these terms here, what these terms actually are. Now here we are given mod. When you are given mod, that means 65 lies between 60 and 80. That means this will be the model class. 65 lies between 60 and 80. So model class will be 60 to 80. तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ model class 60 to 80. I hope the question is clear to you. मैं इसको erase कर देता हूँ इस part को, because this was the conclusion of the last question. Now L, if this is the model class, L is 60. F1 its frequency 12. F0 its preceding frequency 10. F2 its succeeding frequency F, and H is 20. So I hope the question is clear to you how you can write the values. Now just put these values here. Now mod is 65, L is 60, F1 12 minus F0 10 over 2 into F1 12 minus f0 minus f2 multiply by h. So I hope students आपको समझ लगी how to use these values when the mod is given and you need to find the missing frequency. 60 इधर शिफ्ट करते हैं. It will be 60 minus 60. 12 minus 10 will be 2 multiplied by 20. 24 minus 10. 14 minus f. And this will be 5. 5 इधर नीचे जाएगा. You will be shifting. 14 minus f comes here. Here this 5 goes down. This is 40 over 5, which is 8. Now again shifting. 14, 8 comes this side. F goes other side. That means f is equal to 6. So this is the term which you need to find in this question. F find करना था, which comes to be 6 and the mod was given 65. Students, I hope आपको ये question दोनों समझ आ गए. One was when you need to find mod, the other when the mod is given and you need to find missing frequency. So if you are getting my questions, keep on following my channel. Thank you very much.